Welcome to my first vlog about randomly generated rooms, or basically a building with random generated rooms and stuff. So far I have made the so we get random shape right there. Let's get a little better example. Yep. Yeah, we get like these kind of shape, and then the script tries to draw it, and as you can see, the parts are not even overlapping each other, which is really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna explain how I did this, and yeah, in the future I will see how will I go forward. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, first things first is that I just made the starting position. So I just need to define the starting position, and I wanted to also define the max grids that I'm gonna use. For now we use 10. I can change this to 50 max polygons, like how many polygons should be made. I don't know, like I can use like some kind of like 10, and then we get some kind of like big, very big, yeah, very big shape like this. So yeah, let's get it back to normal, like that. Let's get it normal. Anyways, we firstly start by making the matrix. But yeah, as you can see, I used matrices in order to make these kind of shapes. So we have the matrix that acts like X, and another one, and we just inside of this X matrix we add another table to act like Y. Then we add our variable, which in this case will be false, and I just added a part so you can see these little bricks. So it just to showcase, you know, what has been made with that. So yeah. All right, let's get going. For now, we done this. So after making our matrix, it's now we now need to basically fill them up. I basically use walkthrough do because it's, I don't know, a little bit easier for me than using the repeat function. I mean, yeah, I use it right there, but yeah, I don't know. Sometimes I use the repeat, sometimes I use walkthrough do. So yeah, here I've made so we need to define the or start position. If we don't have any filled matrices, we should have the epsilon should be 1 because we want to have some sort of exit, some sort of, you know, exit, so we can later on add some kind of doors or something. So yeah, so we need to have this kind of edge. Okay, and now if there is not any, we just get the filled position and randomly generates, yeah, because we inserted it's like table. So yeah, and we need to find the end position. Now about the end position, like as you can see, basically script is trying to do is we need to make some sort of polygon, and that polygon should be, of course, the square. Now polygons could be like this, could be like this, could be like that, could be like that. We have like different types of combinations, as you can see, and yeah, it will always, yeah, it will make that. All right, let's get back to the code. All right, I made, so yeah, there is just remember Y, so we can use that Y to move towards these and to make them true. So as you see, we made the starter and end. In this case, let's say here, this. And now our code needs to go like every single x and y and fill them with the value true. So act like the nothingness is false and these x's are true. So that's what I'm gonna use for this example. All right, let's get back to the code. And yeah, I just made it so things are getting green just to be for visual purposes. And then I added them to fill matrix with x and y, so it can be used for another time if the polygon doesn't reach the randomness. All right, it will basically just easy enough. It will just see if it can go towards, if it's like less than the start, then it will just go to minus and then go 1. You get it what I mean. After that code is complete and we reach the breaking point, we're arriving to the second area, which is we arrive at the second area, which is used for basically identifying and reading all of these stuff. So let's say the script managed to make, I don't know, let's see, let's do like this. Alright, so script made something like this, and we need to draw it. We will use the function, we'll basically use the function that I just made it right here. Now what it does, now how it works is like this. So for first to check, go like for each x and find the value true. And it will first go like this and this and that, and yeah. Oops. So it finds this one, since this is true, and it's first on our list. Well, second, but you get it. It will be firstly detected. Now how it works is that you're just gonna basically go, the script will just go from here, and it will just check if there is like another, if the other value of x is true or not. Then they will try to go next, but they will realize that it's the end. Or if it was this case, they will just see if it's false, or like if it's false, they will stop and they will just go back to basically x. And here, this is how we define it: the starter and the end position. And then the script will go, okay, so we have, so this is the max value, so we have 1, 2, so this is the max value. Now they will try to make some kind of shape like this, but then it will move to epsilon, thinking that it can make even bigger like this. But the problem is, as you already see, when they go from here to here, there will be nothing, and they will be like, oh, so there is nothing. And even if I go back, I didn't achieve nothing, because I can't make triangle or something. So they will just basically completely terminate this column, and it will just go back, and this is our square. So it's detected, so these two are the starter and then the positions. All right, and then after that, it will insert the part, and that part will basically go right here. So let me go back to code to explain. So inserted part, make sure it's anchored. Then we made the start position, so it gets the position right there. After that, we just need to define the size, which is the size of basically from here to here. Basically, how to make a square. But here's one small problem. Since Roblox is basically doing a little different. So you know how when you insert a part, it's basically like this. And when you try to scale it using properties, it will just go like this. It won't go like this. It will just immediately go like this. Which means if we really need to position them right, we will need to move them like halfway. So basically size divided by 2, which I did in this case. And as you can see, I moved it using the position that I already have, plus the vector free part size x and z, and yeah. And by using that code, I managed to generate this. So yeah, this is my first devlog about it. The things that are missing right now, as you see, are the walls. So I'm planning to add walls in the future, as well as doors, and to basically have some kind of building that's basically completely randomly generated. And yeah, I could try to do presets and stuff, but I don't know, it's kind of annoying to just, make room by room, like variations and stuff, so that's why I'm trying to make, so it's basically completely generated by the script. There are a few known issues with this for some reason. For example, let me just demonstrate. So let's say we just picked the max probability 1 or 2 or let's say 10, but to make the match grid so 2. So we want to make the script will for some reason never go, like they will never enable these two variables for some reason, like I don't know why. It will always be this or sometimes even both, but alright, I guess it will be maybe fixed, maybe not, since yeah, I'm trying to add this some sort of building thing. And yeah, that's all. Hopefully this will also help, so motivate some people to try to also make some kind of that concept. So yeah, that's about it. See ya.